Kalipau tri ukumai chong lat to kalangku sengi yap ukla white kerilum jaintia o Kiang Nangbah wai hagani ka sengi dekan mo warom yu o haki benta wa pher ka jalla kamten ni ka sengi ni liang ka sin rai jawai le da chimung ya ka benta wa le warom ya ka langku sengi yap wa chispa an rupau ar yang o haki yalang wa depan man hamang koi perdi yang pia hagani ka le kamen kan mo warom ulat ka jalla o ch wijaya shan ka daman o kam ukongsan hey lang o mle ka jawai o wailat miki shilla UDC wa SP ke West Giant Hill District UBS Solia usi serti wa kiwide. Dayo iklam pediang na o Presiden kasin rai jawai UH toy, ingo belai na udaloy ki ilaka jawai upuramon kenjin, kadwa heya to ipuram Kiang Nangbah dayo na Dr. Chan Langki bare. Kasin rai hakani kasingi de iburam harok ko ya utanraw udi ukambal shulai, hajrong ki kamwa bahayong o kamju wa chimkia o pendep ya ki kamniam, kamtam wa daman le o wachem ya kanap tangbru, eco-friendly crematorium. Ya utan rau di uroskil chalam hajrong ki kamba bahawas bunyong uja kaseng haki benta wa pher kamtam wa yarab u yaki khon kanyam tri wo sunong yaki temen tangbru hei por wa kaseng da wa yarab bahago. Neite ya umay lalu wa man ubru wa penyu kanong muna wa baha haki benta wa pher lang baga sap wa kerpang han haperdi itembuny uduna ido ipran we da manule wa job haki wa bon ki Jacob Amversling wat cabal jalla kamjo. Ukongsan UCH VJ ya shan kar kam bulat ke jalla mikhalaya hawa kalam da yero u ye khoj ijngar de wa ong wa inito de wa ikit khli ki wa chong chonong. Neite pan singa u le ikemen wa yo o embenta hagani ka singi kan mo borom ya o Kiang Nangbah kam ukla wai keri u man kam ubru pai ba tang wa de ye u le percha ya ka sorkar phareng wai ge le yang u man harok ko kam wa yada ya ka dustur riti ka jaitbru. Wai ini pen kon mo gaya iwaro wa yen skem nei benta kani ka jo ko yurim da yaro ule ya kasin rai ko wada ye upene pensa ye yong uwarim na do ka beding kalam ka chat sukra wa kiwi de wa ong wa kitu ki wam tip ya ka history mye ki wo chna ya ka history wa thme kam de yo kon mo ye nam o Kiang Nangbah awaro le to om ikit khle wo penne pensa ye yong rim.
Here we do people that to particularly during this event. I think that there is a certain public meet I am going to attend after I assumed charge as a governor of Meghalaya. Before I enter into a city, I have been noticing and observing the beauty of nature and beauty of this city, so clean, so neat. It shows your commitment towards cleanliness. It shows how importance you people given to maintain your own city in that way. Particularly in this program, who are assembled here, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to stand before you today to pay tribute to a true hero of our land, Kiang Nangbah. He rose from humble beginnings to become the leader of the Jaintia community during 1862. He being a freedom fighter who challenged the mighty British Empire, his courage and determination to defend, preserve and protect the religious and cultural values of the Nag people are a source of immense pride for all of us. This rebellion was not only about a political resistance, but also about protecting the sacred traditions, cultural and moral values, which defines our identity. You, Kiang Nangbah, the leadership especially in the face of diversity or adversity, is a timeless example of sacrifice and unity among us. His legacy continues to inspire us today to protect and preserve our culture and reminding us of the importance of standing firm when we face these challenges. I would also like to take a moment to praise Saint Juai, an outstanding cultural and also a religious organization that has been a guiding light for the God people. Through its active role, its commitment and concern in preserving sacred traditions of the community by organizing Belen Plum Festival and Chau Chukla Youth Festival, etc. Saint Juai has ensured that our cultural identity remains vibrant and strong. Their unwavering dedication to environmental sustainability, social welfare, and protecting of sacred sites are commendable. And they continue to inspire the community in preserving our rich heritage. One thing I make it very clear here, that who do not know the history, they cannot create history. This is the time for ourselves to recall those memories and the present challenges before the community and this community's future plan. Particularly this kind of activities and cultural activities meant for that. Let us continue to honor your Kiang Nangbah's memory by safeguarding our traditions as it is, and we must ensure that our future generation understand the values of what he fought for. Before I conclude my speech, many of the dignitaries known as and all of you sitting in front of me, I think probably 9th of this month, January, 9th of coming month, Mahan and Rashtrapati, the Honorable President of the nation, Draupadi Murmu, coming to Meghalaya to attend some of the public program. Whatever the presentation you have given to me, on behalf of you people, that I see you, it is not going to be in Dharma, it is going to be in Rashtrapati. The same moment, whatever you have been given in form of presentation, same thing we are going to hand over to the President of the nation. Not only we are going to hand over it, the history of this particular freedom fighter, that also we are going to explain, and this also we are going to hand over to the President of the nation. And some of the announcement is supposed to be made here. I am not going to make it. Our Commissioner and Secretary to Rajbhavan is going to announce those things. I am really grateful to you people for inviting me to come and participate in this, I think, unforgettable moment, unforgettable program. I am really grateful to all of you, and I wish you all the best. And whatever issue comes, either from this community, either from this side, whatever you people expect from the Rajbhavan, for overall the development of this community, to move forward, all the times I assure you, I assure you, the Rajbhavan always is with you people. Not only I am going to announce, whenever time permits, whenever you people wish to come and meet me in Rajbhavan, always the doors of Rajbhavan open for you people. Anytime, you can come and meet me for the overall development of this community. Always you are with you. Again, I wish you all the best. Again, I thank you people for inviting me to hear particularly in this event.